Yesterday, we learned how to build. Today, we're learning, you got that right. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have sökmək or sökmək. Sökmək. Sökmək is disassemble, unpick, such as stitches, or tear down. Let's see how we're going to do this. Through phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. To disassemble a machine, or to unpick stitches, or to tear down a wall. How? Maşını sökmək. Maşın is a machine. This can be any machine, tool, but the problem is we use automobile, car as maşın too. So up to you how you want to use it. I chose it as a machine. Tikişi sökmək. Tikiş is the stitch. How you tear it down, you unpick it. That's how you use the word sökmək. Or you want to tear down literally the wall. Divarı sökmək. Divar is the wall that we learned. Now let's use those in some sentences. Usta, itki olmasın deyə köhnə maşının mühərrikini sökmək üçün hissələri nömrələyərək proses boyunca bizə hər addımı izah etdi. Let's see. Some interesting loan words. To avoid losing anything, the master numbered the parts while dismantling the old car engine and explained every step to us throughout the process. Remember I said maşın can mean car? Here's your car. Usta, remember in one of our previous videos throughout the week I said you can be contractor if you're building a house, but if you are disassembling a car engine, a master is the better way to use it. Now, itki olmasın deyə, to avoid losing anything. In this sense, anything, but over here, to avoid having losses. İtki olmasın deyə, like literal translation. Usta, köhnə maşının mühərrikini sökmək üçün. So, to dismantle, basically, to disassemble the old car engine, hissələri nömrələyərək, usta hissələri nömrələyərək. The master numbered the parts. Nömrələmək, nömrə. It's a loan word. Mühərrik, it's a loan word from Arabic, I believe. Maşın, you got that already. It's a loan word. Proses boyunca, throughout the process, another loan word. Bizə hər addımı izah etdi. Explained every step to us. Bizə, to us, izah etdi. Explained. Hər addımı, every step. Wrap it up. Usta, itki olmasın deyə, köhnə maşının mühərrikini sökmək üçün hissələri nömrələyərək proses boyunca bizə hər addımı izah etdi. To avoid losing anything, the master numbered the parts while dismantling the old car engine and explained every step to us throughout the process. Okay? Another one. Zalı genişləndirmək üçün aradakı köhnə divarı sökmək məcburiyyətində qaldıq. Amma toz olmasın deyə örtük çəkib qonşulara xəbər verdik. Watch, məcburiyyətində qaldıq, xəbər verdik. This means us is the one doing the action. Let's see how. We had to knock down the old wall to expand the living room, but we used covers for the dust and warned the neighbors. Zal is a loan word too. We are using it in the sense of living room. Now, zalı genişləndirmək üçün, to expand the living room. Aradakı köhnə divarı sökmək məcburiyyətində qaldıq. Məcburiyyət is just you had no choice, basically, right? We had to knock down the old wall. Amma, but, toz olmasın deyə örtük çəkib, used covers for the dust. Toz olmasın deyə, so there will not be dust. That's a literal translation. Qonşulara xəbər verdik and warned the neighbors. Xəbər vermək, to notify, let them know, warn. because of the noise, obviously, because you're knocking down the wall, right? Komşu, neighbor, komşular, neighbors, komşulara, to the neighbors, basically, we told them, we warned them, okay? Zalı genişləndirmək üçün aradakı köhnə divarı sökmək məcburiyyətində qaldıq. Amma toz olmasın deyə örtüyü çəkib qonşulara xəbər verdik. You see, məcburiyyətində qaldıq, genişləndirmək, örtük, xəbər verdik. That's the spoken language. What you see is the written language. Let's make sure we write it the right way and we speak, I would say, not the right way. It's fine to speak the way you write, but if you are preferring spoken language in Azerbaijani, that's how you say it, okay? That was today's word, sökmək, in its usual, regular, perfectly fine way. What I have for you is, of course, the manual is missing. Time for me to sökmək the gadget by pure guesswork, right? I've got Master Azerbaijani app for you that is available to download in App Store and Google Store.